Paano yun? Paano yun? I don't know. Nasaan ba yun? Hindi ko alam yun, guys. Ito pala. Hello? Yes! Yes naman! Maayos na ba? Maayos na ba? Ang ganda nila. Maganda. Pero may kasama siyang music din, so pagpasensyahan niyo na. Hinaan ko na lang. Last year, down but I always knew that you talk to her, maybe even words I could put. Ain't it funny how you run around the second that we call it quits? You say, you betrayed me, and I know that you'll never feel sorry for the way I hurt. Yeah, you talked to her when we were together, but that didn't matter. It took you 2 weeks to go off and leave her. Guess you didn't cheat, but you're still treating. Ano, okay ba? Just to shut me down, show her up like she's in control. Ala, dyan pala si Eve. Wala, nahiya na ako. Charot. All the twisted games, all the okay naman, Lods. Ala, hindi siya maganda. Okay. Remember I brought her up and it's only I was paranoid.